Good afternoon, America. Live from northern New England, coastal southern Maine, Portland, Maine, Maine's largest city. This is Frank Margell, out and about with you. January 4th, 2018, the blizzard, the extreme blizzard of January 2018. We are out here in the public domain. I'm not affiliated with any business or enterprise that you may see in the video today. I'm sharing my comments and views, and if I strike a chord with you, please go right ahead and send me a comment or a review. And thank you for subscribing to my web pages and sending me upbeat comments and shares. Thank you very much. This is a freelance video, and this is also a WYSIWYG during the blizzard of 2018, and we are currently at the Pine Tree Shopping Center here in Maine's largest city. Once again, we're looking at Brighton Avenue, and it is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in the high 20s, about 28 degrees. And I wanted to follow up again on the blizzard of 2018. I get out this morning and I showed you a couple of views of the early snow accumulation and extreme blizzard conditions occurring here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine. That's right, Maine's largest city. It is horrendous. There are very few people out and about, but Maine, in spite of all of this extreme blizzard conditions, is still open for business. That's right. And in just this particular area of Maine, I was able to chat with a pharmacist that's still open. There's a gymnasium still open, a discount dollar store, a battery and bulbs store, and a discount retailer. During the blizzard of 2018, we're looking at wind chills. We're looking at gusts of 30 to potentially 50 miles per hour. We're looking at an updated weather forecast. Go ahead and check your facts. Of up to 16 inches of snow. And I'll show you around here, the wind is gusting, and not only are we probably going to look at a flatland accumulation of 16 inches, however, the snow is drifting and it's blowing around, and in some areas, some walkways, the snow has already accumulated to 3 or 4 feet. You can't walk on the sidewalks currently, and that's understandable. It's a blizzard. It's the blizzard of January 4th, 2018. And this is Frank Margell following up with you in Maine's largest city. And there are folks out and about taking care of business, and there are some businesses open in case of an emergency. A pharmacy. It might be an emergency to go to your local gym. Hey, gotta pump some iron and then shovel some snow. Batteries and bulbs. Maybe you need some discount retail. It's all here in northern New England, coastal southern Maine, open for business. If you can imagine, in the extreme blizzard of 2018, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, I've seen plenty of services out, snow plows, folks taking care of business. Folks are helping each other. Folks are rubbing elbows and talking about this storm. People are closer than ever to the truth. And the truth is, in my humble opinion, you go ahead and check your own facts, this is the epic snow blizzard of 2018. And this is Frank Margell. We're looking at East 25. Take a right and go west to 25. Eventually, if you are out and about, what you're really going to want to do is sit this one out. And if you are out and about, carry an extra portable shovel in your vehicle, carry some extra water, an extra cell phone charger, and dress very warm and prepare for an emergency. Have some extra jumper cables. But if you're out and about in this and you're going to drive in this and you're in one of these businesses and you need to get home, you need to be very safe and make sure that you're prepared to drive in blizzard conditions. That's right, Thursday, January 4th, 2018. It's the blizzard of the year. And this is Frank Margell at the Pine Tree Shopping Center in fun and sun and blizzard conditions, Portland, Maine. You take care and you have a great Maine day. Be safe. And if you are on social media and you are using social media, you're reaching out to those who are experiencing these blizzard conditions. And more likely than not, you're checking on them. And you're advising your family and friends and those you care about to sit this one out. This is Frank Margell. You have a great Maine day, and I'll keep you posted on the blizzard of 2018. January 4th, 2018. This is Frank Margell. You take care, and I will keep you posted. This is Frank out.